Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel again. As in previous video, I showed you how to install KaliLinux on VirtualBox. Now in this video, I will show you a little bit about the main screen or the desktop of the KaliLinux. How to use it. Here are some options, you can go through it. The main things are these two. The first one is applications. Through here you can open multiple applications whatever you want. Information gathering, whatever, you can click here and open it. The information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web applications analysis, WordPress, as you can see WordPress is here, database assessment, password attacks. Next, basically KaliLinux is used for hacking tools. Most of these are hacking tools, so you can open whatever you want through here. And the second thing is here is the places, wherever you want to go through user interface. Let's go to home. Here is your home. These are the folders inside the home directory. Go back. You can go to home directory through here. This is your files. You can go through this icon, just click on it. This button will show you all the application this KaliLinux is running. You can switch through here. These are multiple applications Kali is using. In the center is your timing. It will be shown you here. This is your workspace. Desktop is your always workspace 1. If you go to another folder, open another file, it will become your second interface. Go to second interface. It will become your first interface and go to second interface, that is your desktop. Whatever you open, it will become your interface. Go here, select another interface, you will be again here. This is your notification area. Here is your volume control. In KaliLinux, you will not be having Wi-Fi connection. It will always show you a wired connected. It means if you turn off, your Wi-Fi will be off. If you are connected through wire, it will show you wired connected, or if you are connected through Wi-Fi, it will also show you wired connected. Here is your proxy. It means you are not using any proxy. This is your battery percentage, battery power. This is your username. Root is the base user. Here is your power option. You can power off the whole system. I mean KaliLinux. Restart if you want to restart. If you want to power off, I don't want to power off, cancel. This is your sign out button. You can just click on it and you will be sign out instantly. This is your setting. You can go to setting just by clicking this button. This is your main setting. You can switch on Bluetooth, switch off on Bluetooth, Bluetooth, background, notifications, search, region and language, universal access, online account, privacy, multiple settings, or here you can set whatever you want to change it. You can change it through here. In this video, I showed you how to go to directories, multiple directories through user interface. In next video, I will show you how to go to any directory through command prompt. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much.